I'm Selena Chu. I come from Hong Kong. So right now I'm a third-year student doing a Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Science in the Queensland University of Technology, QUT. I prefer working alone. So I feel like working in the lab, solving problems, is like playing detectives, this kind of jobs, really exciting. That's why I chose MedLab Scientist program. And then after doing some research, I actually find that QUT has the longest running Queensland program in MedLab Science. Also, it is accredited by the Australian Institute of Medical Scientists. So that means after graduation, I didn't need to take any professional examination to be a medical scientist. So studying QUT so far for 2.5 years is quite a exciting and interesting journey. I wouldn't say the academic bit is easy, it's definitely challenging. But luckily, I find that all the QUT staff are very supportive, so it's a very supportive environment. Another thing I like is the technology, because it's like QUT stands for like Queensland University of Technology. So the technology bit is really good. For example, all the lectures are recorded, so you can always catch up with all the content. And then during prep class, everyone have their own laptop, so it's very easy to take notes also to find all the information needed. There's also lots of other supportive services, for example, international student services, library services, also academic language can help you write papers and stuff. I find all this aspect very good and then very useful for my study here. QUT, since it's located in Gardens Point and then it's in the city, city especially got lots of different restaurants, and then like trying to new food, those kind of things is always the big thing for us. We always talk about it, what should we have for lunch or for dinner. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you guys what I usually do in class every day. So here's the lab that I usually work in. This is the lab that I usually have my classes in. So we're in this lab a lot, like at least 3 times a week. MedLab Science is a very wide subject. So we got a lot of discipline like microbiology, chemical pathology, biochemistry, histology and stuff. Because we'll be analyzing human sample in the real world. So it's really important to have a feel or like very familiar with how to analyze different samples like blood or urine. I think the technique we'll learn here, we'll learn a lot of different techniques on analyzing different samples. And the technique we learn here is very suitable for the real world and then prepare me for going to the workforce in the future.